So there was one Nrsinga guru, and you can just be a little baby cub. Father was a lion, but doesn't mean the baby's a lion. Baby may be a mouse. Baby cub. Tadvidi pranipatena pariprashnena sevya upadakshanti te gyanam gyaninas tattvadarshana. Krishna says pranipatena. Before one has any access to Guru, one has to submit himself. Pranipatena means to lie like a stick in front of the Guru. And then, if one submits himself, submits his mind and has vishwas, faith, Guru vishwas, faith in Guru, faith in Guru's life, faith in his achar and prachar, then he can ask prashna, questions. Tadvidi pranipatina pari prashnena sevaya. Then if he does seva, then he'll get answers to his questions. If you only ask questions, you're submissive and you have faith and you only ask questions. If you don't serve, you won't get answers. It's a three-pronged approach. Krishna explains in chapter 4 of Gita, verse 34. Surrender to Guru, submit to Guru, serve, ask questions and serve him. The service is a dakshin. That's the dakshin, doing service. Then you get vigyan, realization. Vigyan brings change of consciousness. Change of consciousness brings change of behavior. Change of behavior leads one on the path of liberation. Right? No seva, no vigyan. More seva, more vigyan.